Well, you want to see the box that we made? Hi folks, thanks for joining us again. Okay, I have to send something back to a company and I don't have the original box to put it in. So, I know how to make a box to send things through the mail, and I thought, maybe some people out there in YouTube land, maybe they don't know. So I'm going to show you how it is, and it's really, really easy to do. So you find a box that you think it's going to fit inside. So this is what I'm sending back, and I'm going to put it in this box. But how are you going to send it like that? It's not break time, it's work time, because when they get it, they got to fix it. So, what we're going to do, we're going to open the box. Carefully take the seams apart. Now find the main seam that put the box together. And that would be right there. So the seam is there, and we're going to cut right along the edge of it. This is such an easy thing to do once you know how to do it. Now the box is open. And it's the color it needs to be to go through the mail. So what we do, we just fold it back up the other way and tape it. Lay it down with a little piece of Scotch tape, and that's just to hold it while we're putting the big piece of tape on it. Okay, and then, now we try and put it in the middle so it secures it on both sides, okay? Press it tight, and take it there, right, and we're just going to go like that. Give that a little fold so when we go back to use it, we'll be able to find where the fold is. Now give it a good little press, and there we go. Box is ready again. So now we're just going to fold. Now everything is backwards, as you can see, and inside out, and that's just dandy doodle. So we're just going to take another piece, and we're going to fold it in, and we're just going to tape it like that. There we go. Now that edge is secure. Now it's time to put our box inside. So we're going to put that inside. We have a plug that needs to go with it. That'll fit right there, and then we have another plug that needs to go with it, and that'll fit, which is going to make it very secure, so it's not going to be hopping all around in the box. See? Move it, nothing, nothing. There we go. Look at that. So all you do is look around for a box that you think your item will fit in, and just open that box up and fold it inside out. All we do is give it a good tape right there on the seam. But now, show you how else I do it. Give it a good, so we know our seam here is secure, nice and secure. What I do, the best measure, I go all the way around the box. Know that it's secure. And the only reason I use this amount of tape is because you get it for the dollar from the dollar store, really cheap. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, so now I know this box is totally secure. Just write my address that it's going to here, put my return address there, take the post office, and I can shake it. It's secure. It's in there. Nothing can get broken because, see, the plugs are a little bit bigger than the actual mechanism that I'm sending back to get fixed. So it's keeping it secure in that box. Now you could stuff some newspaper in there, but remember, everything goes by size and weight with the post office, and yeah, we know what that means, more money. So I try to find a box that I can get it into to make it secure. So there you go, folks. How to make a box to send something back. Wasn't that difficult after all, was it? So Walter, you want to come see the box? And even though you know who didn't help, yes. Well, you want to see the box that we made? You want to see the box? Yes, look what we did. We did a good job, didn't we, Walter? Yes, we did. Did we do a good job? Okay, can you say bye-bye, YouTubies? Say bye-bye, YouTubies. Yes.